Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you about a Webrtc socket.io HTML5 webcam recorder kind of a website. So this is a open source app which is written. So the website name is cam-recorder.com. If you open this website, basically it is a HTML5 web camera recorder where you can directly record videos from your web camera and upload them to YouTube or any sort of social network. So first of all, if you go to this website, you need to grant permissions for your microphone and web camera. So you need to click on the allow button to grant the permissions, and then here you can select your web camera. Here, this is mine here. So you can see now my picture is showing up. So this is a very simple process. So very simple app, you just need to click it, and in the menu this is record and about section as well, which tells you a little more about this app. So it is saying it does cam recorder records videos from your webcam and it allows you to share them directly to YouTube. So it's a great, and the most important thing that it works without Flash. As you know that Flash will be depreciated at the end of this year, so Flash will not be supported at any browser after 2020. So it's a good application, so it will work without Flash also. So now to record any sort of video, you need to click this red button and then it will work. You can see now it will record your video. You can see the time here. At any point of time you need to stop this video, you can just click the stop button and then it will work. You can see and now it will show you the preview that you have recorded. Three buttons are there. First is the share button. In order to upload to YouTube, you need to give a suitable title, description, and then you need to click the upload button. That's it. So now it will upload this video to YouTube channel. So whatever YouTube channel that you have, it can upload it. And the next option is that you can download this video onto your computer here. So this will download it inside Webcam file here. You can play this video file on your PC. So very simple stuff, and there is a third option which deletes the video. That's it. So definitely try out this website. It is a simple and square HTML5 webcam recorder which takes help of Webrtc concept and socket.io concept as well. So definitely try out this website cam-recorder.com. And before ending this video, please check out my website which is freemediatools.com. Here I publish daily tools about audio, video and image processing. So definitely check out freemediatools.com. A total of 130 tools are there and daily I add tools on this website. Also join the Facebook group as well. It has got 24 members, and I will be seeing you in the next video.